Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. What is a primary use case for Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? Serverless application development. Content delivery network. Data warehousing. Monitoring and alerting. A primary use case for Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is monitoring and alerting, allowing users to track their metrics and set up automated responses based on predefined thresholds. How does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus help with monitoring and alerting? By setting up custom alerts based on metric thresholds. By sending automated emails to customers. By providing real-time visualizations of code repositories. By blocking access to sensitive data. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus helps with monitoring and alerting by allowing users to set up custom alerts based on metric thresholds. What is the main purpose of Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? To monitor and observe containerized workloads at scale. To manage networking configurations. To automate code deployment. To optimize machine learning models. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is designed to monitor and observe containerized workloads at scale, providing insights into application performance and health. What is an advantage of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus over self-hosted solutions? No support for alerting. Limited access control options. Higher infrastructure costs. Managed updates and maintenance. An advantage of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus over self-hosted solutions is the managed updates and maintenance, reducing the operational burden of sustaining the monitoring infrastructure. What does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus offer in terms of cost management? Pay-as-you-go pricing model. No cost visibility. Fixed subscription fees. Hidden charges for usage. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus offers a pay-as-you-go pricing model, allowing users to pay only for the resources they consume, thus providing cost management flexibility. What type of data does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus collect? Logs. Metrics. Code files. Configuration files. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus collects metrics data to provide insights into the performance and health of containerized applications. How does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus handle the monitoring infrastructure for users? Requires user intervention for setup. Fully managed by AWS. Limited monitoring capabilities. No data retention policies. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus handles the monitoring infrastructure for users, providing a fully managed service without the need for extensive user intervention. In what AWS region is Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus available? Asia Pacific only. US East only. EU only. Multiple regions. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is available in multiple AWS regions, allowing users to deploy their monitoring workloads closer to their resources. What is a drawback of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus for organizations with specific compliance requirements? Highly configurable security protocols. Integrated identity and access control. Limited customization options. Data encryption at rest only. A drawback of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus for organizations with specific compliance requirements is the limited customization options, such as fine-grained control over security settings, required to meet stringent compliance standards. What feature of Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus simplifies monitoring setup? Limited metric exposure. Difficulty in setting up alerts. Integrated service discovery and monitoring configuration. Manual configuration for each metric. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus simplifies monitoring setup by providing integrated service discovery and monitoring configuration, reducing the manual effort required to set up monitoring for new services. What level of expertise is required to use Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus effectively? No prior experience with Prometheus is necessary. Basic knowledge of networking is sufficient. Advanced coding skills are essential. Experience with legacy monitoring tools is required. Using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus effectively does not require prior experience with Prometheus, making it accessible to users with varying levels of expertise. How does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus handle data processing and storage? It requires data processing and storage to be managed manually. It does not support long-term data storage. It automatically processes and stores metrics data at scale. It offloads data processing to the user's infrastructure. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus automatically handles data processing and storage at scale, alleviating the burden of managing these tasks manually and ensuring efficient data management. What is a limitation of the query language supported by Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? No support for alert rules. Supports only basic operators. Limited historical data retention. Cannot perform complex aggregations. A limitation of the query language supported by Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is the inability to perform complex aggregations, which may impact the depth of analysis available for metric data. What is a key feature of Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? Inflexible monitoring dashboards. Automated scaling. Manual data backups. Limited data retention. One key feature of Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is automated scaling, which adjusts capacity based on the volume of incoming metrics. What is a key benefit of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus for monitoring Kubernetes clusters? Deep integration with AWS services. Automated cluster deployments. Support for alternative monitoring tools. Real-time cluster scaling. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus offers deep integration with AWS services, making it an ideal choice for monitoring Kubernetes clusters on the platform. How does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus ensure high availability? Built-in fault tolerance mechanisms. Manual failover process. Single server setup. No redundancy options. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus ensures high availability through built-in fault tolerance mechanisms, reducing the risk of downtime. What is a key advantage of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? High operational overhead. Limited data retention. Managed service setup. Manual configuration needed. One key advantage of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is the managed service setup, which reduces the operational burden on users. What is one advantage of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus over self-managed Prometheus? More control over monitoring tools. Faster query performance. No infrastructure management required. Higher data security. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus eliminates the need for users to manage infrastructure, providing a more hands-off monitoring solution. What level of control does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus give to users? Full control over the underlying infrastructure. Control only over networking configurations. No control over the data retention policies. Limited control, with focus on managing the Prometheus server. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus gives users limited control, with the focus on managing the Prometheus server itself rather than the underlying infrastructure. How does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus ensure data durability? By implementing strict data retention policies. By encrypting data at rest. By replicating data across multiple availability zones. By regularly deleting old data. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus ensures data durability by replicating data across multiple availability zones within a region. What level of availability does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus offer? 100% uptime SLA. 99% uptime SLA. 99.9% uptime SLA. 95% uptime SLA. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus offers a 99.9% uptime SLA, ensuring high availability for monitoring workloads. What is a key aspect of security provided by Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? Limited logging capabilities. End-to-end encryption. No access controls. Plain text data storage. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus provides end-to-end encryption as a key aspect of security, ensuring data protection in transit and at rest. What is the primary purpose of the remote storage option in Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? To monitor network traffic. To store long-term metrics data. To restrict access to certain users. To deploy additional servers. The primary purpose of the remote storage option in Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is to store long-term metrics data for analysis and historical tracking. What advantage does Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus provide in terms of ease of use? Complex setup processes. No server maintenance required. Limited documentation available. Regular manual backups needed. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus provides the advantage of no server maintenance required, simplifying the user experience and reducing manual operational tasks. What is a key benefit of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus? Manual database backups. On-premises deployment. Static resource allocation. Automated scaling. A key benefit of using Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is automated scaling, allowing the service to handle varying workloads efficiently. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.